Okay, what to do, you squad? It's your boy Prince Big, back with a vlog. I know y'all been missing me. I've been missing y'all. I just been doing my reactions and shit. But y'all know I've been missing y'all too. I've been missing y'all. Let me cut this damn thing out. But I'm back though, y'all. Getting back to my normal playing shit, but it's still kind of, this corona shit with all this bullshit going on in the air that the government putting in the air. Let me say that. What the government putting in the air. What the government putting in the air. Yeah, man. It's just fucking up a lot of shit, though. Nigga really can't do too much. You can't move too fast. You can't do too much of shit, man. So, let me slow me down. I know I ain't been shooting my workout videos. I gotta get back on that. I gotta get back on a lot of shit, to tell you the truth. The gym been closed, but it ain't my fault. It's their fault. Shit. Which is, I know. It's just bullshit, man. Just bullshit. Bullshit. That's all I gotta say. This is bullshit, man. It's fucking bullshit. And I wish I could go to the gym. I wanna go to the gym. Shit, I wanna do a lot of shit I can't do right now. This shit bullshit. But for the most part, I hope y'all out there living your life, man. I hope y'all out there straight, man. I hope y'all out there safe. Not around all this dumbass bullshit. Hope your family is safe and everybody, man. Just hope everybody out there good, man. Good and live and well. For real. The government is trying to fuck us right now, y'all. I'm just gonna be honest and tell y'all that shit. They trying to fuck us. And I don't give a fuck if they try to take my video down or not. They ain't taking my shit down. They say what the fuck I wanna say. Freedom of speech is a motherfucker. Just let y'all know that shit. Shit. Real for it. Ain't no bitch gonna do shit to me. Shit, I wish a motherfucker would. The fuck? The motherfucker ain't gonna do a goddamn thing. Fuck the government. Shit, real talk. This dumbass shit happened because they ass. Niggas ain't got nothing to do with this shit. No. We ain't got nothing to do with this shit. We just live in this stupid ass world, man. Niggas probably tired of being in this motherfucker. I know I am. I'm tired of being in America. Shit, I want to go back to Africa. I want to go somewhere that ain't got to deal with no white people. I tell you that much. Fucking white people irritating. I love half of you motherfuckers, love none of you niggas. Shit, fuck out of here. I don't love no fucking shit. But my half cousins that's white. Shit, I ain't gonna lie to nobody. Other than that, I don't fuck with no damn crackers, man. I do not mess with no cracker. In my soul, I don't. Promise to God, I do. Shit. But shit, drop comments down below, man. Let me know what reactions y'all want me to react to next. I've been taking off time with the reactions because they ain't been doing so good. And it's only because I've been noticing what I've been doing wrong. I gotta get back on my normal routine type of shit. I gotta do all my videos. I gotta put y'all on game. I gotta talk to y'all. I gotta do all that shit. And I ain't been doing it, man. So, just know, I'm back on my motherfucking grind. Shit, for real. I'm back on my grind, y'all, man. I miss y'all too, man. And yeah, and starting tomorrow, I'm gonna be going out, doing my workouts at the park. And I'm just gonna show y'all, how you can do your workout at the park until the gym open back up. Damn, Janetta, why you put all this damn burnt shit in here? I ain't want all that. Man, my sister played me. I told her I like the burnt shit off the top of the damn cheese, off the top of the damn macaroni. She put all the shit in here. Damn. I do not want all this shit, Janetta. Not all of it. You can't. Crazy, man. Yeah, buddy. I ain't with that shit. But Man, yeah, just tell me what y'all want me to react to, man. And I'll react to the shit. I'm gonna get back on the shit though. Well, not back on the shit. I'm on the shit already. I just ain't did one in like a week, I think. One because I have other shit to do. And I am a businessman. I run my own business. I got clothes for sale. I make clothes. So if you want clothes for sale, just you can send me an email at princebig600@gmail.com and just tell me what you want. You know, I make clothes and all type of shit. So yeah, man. It's hard out here for a pimp, but you gotta get that money for the rent. On my soul. Gotta make that money, man. Don't let nobody make it for you. Make your own money. Don't stop until you got it. Shit. And fuck what a hater say. Only fuck with a motivator. Fuck with a nigga that's getting money. Don't fuck with a nigga that got money. Real talk, man. Trying to put y'all niggas on game out here. Oh yeah, y'all see me making my food. Gotta put this shit in the motherfucking microwave. I'm starving right now, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Well, I stay hungry. A nigga like me stay hungry. I ain't gonna lie to nobody. I stay hungry. I stay ready to do shit. Oh yeah, and I live by myself too, y'all. I wanna be out of chore in my house, but I don't feel like doing it right now. I'll give y'all one later. This is the kitchen as y'all see. This is the kitchen. Yep. Oh yeah, shout out to all my subscribers that comment on my videos, telling me to keep going with my shit. I really appreciate y'all. That's real talk. I really appreciate y'all. Oh, that shit's still going. I don't know what the fuck that shit was. Well, we like 7 minutes into this shit though, y'all. But I hope y'all liking this shit, because I like talking to y'all, man. I've been meaning to do longer vlogs anyway, but I just be so busy doing other shit, man. It be so hard to do just like a vlog, and then you always on it by yourself and shit. So it's like, me, I'm a motherfucker. I like content. So that's what I'm showing you. I'm showing y'all making y'all with me in the kitchen right now. While I'm put the food in the microwave and heat this shit up. You dig? Bam. And we in this bitch though. Like real talk though. Put all this shit. I need a maid. That's what I did. Y'all see the jumper? Stop playing with me, man. Nigga get fucked up out here. But yeah, though, man, I'm finna stop this vlog right now, y'all. I'm gonna upload it, and I'm just gonna talk to y'all later. And peace, and I hope everybody out there is well and safe. And man, just stay doing what y'all do, man. I hope y'all eating. I hope y'all making money, man. Just stay positive. Keep all the negative vibes away from y'all, and just stay going up this ladder. I salute y'all. Peace.